as we start another journey through Europe, but this time we're heading for Turkey.
We're travelling through Belgium, Germany, Luxemburg, Italy, Greece, and then into Turkey, and also through Austria.
We've just boarded the DFDS ferry from Dover to Calais. This cost us £120.
A little bit windy.
You need to hold on to my glasses.
Our first stop when we got over to Calais was the Dunkirk Museum, Operation Dynamo. This was codenamed Operation Dynamo, was also known as the Miracle of Dunkirk. This was the excavation of more than 338,000 Allied soldiers during the Second World War, between the 26th of May and the 4th of June 1940. The operation commenced after large numbers of Belgian, British and French troops were cut off and surrounded by German troops during the 6-week Battle of France. This was the biggest evacuation in military history. We took a walk down the beach to have a look where these soldiers were all rescued from. Just in the distance there's a shipwreck from World War II.
This is the British military cemetery in Dunkirk.
Our next stop was Dinant in Belgium.
Got all these saxophones which represent different countries.
This is also the hometown of Adolf Sax, who was the inventor of the saxophone.
There's one here for the United Kingdom.
We then headed through Luxembourg, through Germany to Austria. We didn't stop in Austria as we wanted to get to Italy as soon as we could.
So we're just entering Italy.
Next stop, Venice.
Good morning from Venice.
Hi.
We arrived here 2 days ago. Got here Thursday afternoon about 3 PM. Just had a bit of a chill in the van. Yesterday we were going to go into Venice itself, but the weather was absolutely atrocious. Super windy, raining. But Becky looked on the app and it gave out sunny weather from today onwards, and we have got blue sky. But
Here we are.
it says only 10 degrees. And one part for night. Yeah, one part for night campsite. Costs us €18 per night. £5 if you'd like electric. It's a kilometre walk to the bus stop, which can take you straight into Venice itself, which is where we're heading at the moment. And that was £1.50 per person. Yeah, €150 or €3 return. So we've had a return ticket.
So we're off into Venice, as we've just said, and we are going to Piazza San Marco first, and we're going to go and see some of the sights of Venice. Maybe even get a gondola ride if we're lucky. I'm walking around here in Venice and we've seen lots of masquerade masks. Lots of shops, lots of people wearing them. Apparently, it is Venice Carnival. Just like us to turn up in the middle of the carnival. Started yesterday and it runs till the 4th of March.
So it's like we may have to get you a mask, Becky, to walk around with.
I'm not walking around in a mask.
It's quite a nice one, I'd say that is. At the end of this street we have the Grand Canal.
Look at it.
This is the Rialto Bridge in Venice. So we have our lunch. Becky's had 4 cheese pizza and I've got the ham mushroom.
Going the wrong way now, we need to go that way.
Have you got your charms for Italy now?
I've got my gondola. Wow! They look fabulous.
So we're now coming into Piazza San Marco. This in front of St. Mark's Campanile.
Oh, go there.
This is St. Mark's Basilica.
You never guess where we are. Just one cornetto, give it to me. Delicious ice cream from Italy. The gondola rides cost €90. There are different options to take as well, but they are a standard price no matter where you catch it from. This is pretty, isn't it? Let's go into the streets. If you look in a minute,
Just been in Aldi, just coming out of Venice.
some little scrote has smashed the window in the van.
So now we're on mission repair the window until we can get a replacement glass. So we are armed with, what have we got, Steve? What have we got?
It's the bag from the blinds.
Piece of black. And some duct tape, good old duct tape. This got us out of a pickle in more than one times.
That might just about, I might be able to make it work.
Yeah.
Make that work, yeah.
It's a piece of plastic until tomorrow.
Well, hopefully tomorrow. Or the day after.
Or the day after, whenever we can find a piece of glass to fit this van window that somebody kindly smashed for us while we were doing our shopping in Aldi. Voila! Such a perfectionist.
Okay, so this morning the van's having the window repaired. Chap's just taken into the workshop now. And there's the glass ready to go on.
Yay, we have a window!
All sorted by Dr. Glass.
We then headed down the coast to Brindisi, which was our final stop in Italy before catching the ferry.
This is where we stayed last night in Brindisi. It's about 10 minutes from the port, so we can catch a ferry to Greece.
We're just going to check in now to Grimaldi Lines to go to Greece. Just arriving at the ferry terminal now. So this ferry cost us €183, which is approximately 157 English pounds. And we didn't book a cabin because it was an 8-hour journey and it was through the daytime, so we didn't need one. He's on the outside car deck.
Just leaving Brindisi, and like I say, we're heading to Greece.
I can't really tell you where because we can't pronounce it, but it's something like Igoumenitsa or Menesta.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight, that look in your eyes.
Thanks for watching this week's video. Come back next week when you'll see us go on a road trip to Greece. Don't forget, if you have enjoyed it, please pop us a like, which is a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. It costs nothing for you, but it means everything to us.